Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to get started with extract.ai. First, log in or create a new account. Before we start extracting data from our documents, we need to create a template to define the type of data we want to extract. You can create a custom template or choose one from the Extract AI library. If you can't find a pre-made template for your document and you're not sure yet what exactly you would like to extract, you can upload your file here and Extract AI will analyze it and recommend a template based on the uploaded document. I have a purchase order, so I'm going to scroll down to Sales and choose a pre-made template. You can choose whether you would like your extraction to be done under your personal or organization's account and add more details under Settings for each column. We can add a new column here and then guidelines, such as specifying the date style. Under Format, we can choose whether we want the column to contain text or numbers, and here provide an example of what it should look like. If your document is in English and you want the extracted content in a different language, you can specify the language here. If there are any handwritten notes on the document, you can choose what you would like the app to prioritize. If you want to remove a field altogether, you can do that here. Once you're happy with your template, click Create. Now we can start extracting. You can either copy this unique email address and forward the email with the attachment, or simply upload your file here. That's it. Now we can download our extraction in the format of our choosing. From now on, whenever you want to extract a new invoice, all you have to do is click on New Extraction, choose your template and upload your file, or go under Templates, click Extract, or copy the unique email address and forward the email with the attachment. That's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below and I'll be happy to answer them. See you in the next one.